Hello, welcome. Here the charge Q1 and Q2 are at point A and B of a right angle triangle OAB. So the resultant electric field at point O is perpendicular to the hypotenuse side. So then Q1 by Q2 is proportional to. So you can able to understand here the resultant is going to be perpendicular to the hypotenuse side. This is the hypotenuse side. This is going to be perpendicular to the hypotenuse side. This is the resultant. R. Okay, so resultant electric field. So we can able to construct a diagram here like this. So this is the triangle. So it's a rough diagram. So this is here the Q2 is located, the Q2, and here it is the Q1. So here the electric field is goes on like this. So this is E2. So electric field due to the charge 2, that is Q2, right? So this is the here the electric field, that is E1. The electric field due to the charge 1. Okay. Since they have given that this the resultant is going to be like this, right? So this is going to be perpendicular to this hypotenuse side, right? So this is going to be comes like this. So it is going to be the theta. Let us take this as a theta. If we take this as a theta, then this is the opposite side. So we have to understand. So see here. So this is, if this is theta, so this is opposite side must be, which is going to be the opposite side here is, yes. So this is going to be the opposite side. So see here. So this is going to be theta. So we have to understand this very clearly. You have to understand this thing. Okay. So since this line is going to be straight and this line is going to be straight, so this is, if this is theta and this is theta, so if this is theta and the side, this is theta minus 90 degree, theta minus 90 degree. Okay, if this is theta minus 90 degree, then here it is theta. Okay, yes, that is theta. So you can, according to the diagram, you can able to draw here, this is theta actually, right? This is theta. So according to the tan theta, you can able to understand that is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, see here, tan theta opposite by adjacent. So opposite here is the x2 by the adjacent. So adjacent here is x1. So another tan theta is going to be present. This is another one, that is tan theta for the electric field. Tan theta from this electric field. So tan theta is equal to, see here, this is a triangle actually. So this is theta, opposite side is E1. E1, and the adjacent side is going to be this E2. So actually this is E2, right? From this both terms is going to be equal. So x2 by x1 is equal to E1 by E2. So according to this x2 by x1 is equal to E1 by E2. E1 by E2. So we know that E1. So what is the E1? So electric field. Therefore, so here I will be writing here. So electric field E is equal to the K times Q by, this is Q actually, this is Q charge Q by R square. Right? R is the distance. So then the above equation, what we return will be written as, this is x2 by x1 1 is equal to, so then it is E, if it is E1, then K Q1 by x1 square, I think. Okay, let us see that. Okay, yes, x1, this is E1, right? This is x1. So x1 square, x1 square. Something has happened to the mouse, seems. Okay, square by, so So this is then it is E2, right? According to the equation, according to the above equation, it is E2 there. So if it is E2, the same thing is going to become, that is K is constant, but charge is Q2 by, so x2 square, x2 square. So from this equation you can able to cancel this K is a constant, cancel this constant, and from this equation you can able to write this, that is x2 by x1 is equal to q1 by x1 square times the x2 square by q2. So this is the formula as per the thing. So from this equation, so let us continue the equation at the right hand side. So this x2 square is going to the left hand side. So x2 by x1 times, so x1 square by x2, x1 square by x2 square is equal to q1 by q2, q1 by q2. So this x1 cancels, square cancels, so this x1 square square. Then the final value we get is x1 by x2 is equal to q1 by q2. The question asked is, we have to find the q1 by q2, right? q1 by q2. The question asked is that we have to find the q1 by q2, that is x1 by x2 is the answer for this question. So where it is, option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.